it's time to go Turku archipelago island hopping or something like that before Åland, Ahvenanmaa and all of that. It's so hard to like find out where to go, how to go. There's like 4 or 5 different possibles and ferry companies suck on the web pages or internet. And it's only on Swedish or English, not in Finnish, even that it is Finland. It's so Swedish area, but yeah, we try to get there and back, and it will cost like 160 euros plus. We need to take cabin for our dog because with animals, and it costs like 30 to 45 euros more, so it's almost 200 euros just one direction with like this Finlines, which isn't like nicest boat. Yeah, let's go. That feels a little bit tiny. That dog is happy now. We spent like 40 euros to treats and like this one toy for her, Lulu the dog, floating frisbee, and a horsehead skin, dried up of course. Expensive stuff, 60 euros kilo. I think I need to be the first to admit that we have a problem. We like shop food 2 times a day with both of us like 30 euros or something. Like we have small fridge and not that much storage after all, and I think we have a lot of food. And we even went yesterday to eat in pizza outside. We even poked the dog a lot of food. And we aren't that fat people or anything. Yeah, we are on our holiday, and ice cream every day, of course. Isn't that like a thing when people are on holiday? And we are going to the island hopping. Maybe we get to stranded there and we need the food to survive. I don't know if I talk about this, but we supposedly we were going to Norway, but they changed the rules like every week, and because you know COVID-19 coronavirus, they had this rule that 25 to 100 person in blah 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 number on you. Not your country in Finland, because we have so good infos. It was as the zone like Uusimaa and stuff like that. And I live the same area than the capital Helsinki, so the number is higher than elsewhere usually. But then they changed it like 50 to the whole country. Except they changed their mind. There was like 2-week gap that people get to go there. But our holiday started like 1 week too late. And now the number is like 70 already, so even with that we don't get there. Only way to get there with a 10-day quarantine is with 2 vaccines, and we only have 1. And in Finland we have 12 weeks, 3 months to get the second one. In like other countries it's 2 to 3 weeks. And now they changed the rule that you can get it 1 month earlier, so 2 months, 8 weeks. For me it's September or November, so maybe to Iceland or something on winter. But yeah, that sucks. It's not possible to go Norway. We even had like 1 week to come back to quarantine ourselves back in home in this camplands. But now I heard people get through, but you might get or might not. It's like, I don't know, depends on your face. Anyhow, that's why it's Åland and Finland I hope you enjoy the Finland. At least we have good weather. This is the week like on 20 Celsius, and next week it's back to 30.